Hey everyone, and welcome back to Money Mentor. Making money is an exciting experience. Many people believe money can be made only in the office, but you can sit at home just watching videos and earn up to $100 daily. It is simple, and all you need is only a few apps, so try it out. Today we're going to be talking about how to make $100 by watching videos online. Ensure you stick around until the end to make sure you don't miss out on the best techniques to earn. Number 6. Make a PayPal account. Before you can earn with these websites and applications, you need a PayPal account. It is the most preferred method of holding money today. Having a PayPal account will ensure that you have a safe and secure way to save all your money. Setting up a PayPal account is very simple. All you need to do is visit the PayPal website, and once you're there, click on the sign up button. It's going to ask you to input your email and a password, so fill those out. It's pretty straightforward and simple. Once you have a PayPal account, you can use it as an online wallet for online shopping, or you can easily link your bank account to be able to withdraw your cash. Once you've set up an account, you can quickly start earning money by watching videos. Number 5. Go to Feature Points. Feature Points is a website offering many tasks like surveys that will earn you rewards. Check out Feature Points if you want to make some money easily by watching videos. The entire site is rewards based. While there are many different ways to earn money with this site, watching videos is the most exciting way. It is a simple and easy way to make some money. To earn money on this site, first visit the website and then log in. On the left side of the page, you will see the Offers tab. Click on the Offers tab where it will take you to some different offers that will give you varying amounts of points. On the top of the website's page, you will see a blue bar next to the PayPal logo. This bar can be redeemed into money once it reaches 100%. Money redeemed from this site will go directly to your PayPal account. You can set a target amount that you will redeem at a go. To put this target, you will need to go to the top of the page and select the Cash Out tab. You will then be shown a page with the PayPal logo. Next to it are options such as $5, $10, up to $500. So select one of these and you will see a percentage you are at and how close you are to reaching your target. The amount of coins that you can earn entirely depends on how many videos you've watched. One of the options is the Ad Gem. It allows you to watch videos and advertisements in exchange for coins. Another way to earn points on this website is through referrals. This is a great way to earn many points, since when you refer 2 people, you can earn up to 25% of the rewards that they earn. You can also download the Feature Points app on your mobile phone and earn through that as well. If you visit the app on the App Store, you will see that it has good reviews. Number 4. Download app trailers. App Trailers is an application that will help you to earn some fast cash. Currently, this app is only available in the United States, so you can try out the other apps in this video if you're outside of the United States. App Trailers is only available on Android. You need to download the app on the App Store and open it. And once you open the app, you will see various options like watching videos, and when you watch videos using this app, you will accumulate points that can then be redeemed to your PayPal account as money. The more videos you watch, the more rewards you get. One way to start earning points with this is by downloading the app on your devices and then logging into your account. Every time you watch videos using App Trailers, you will instantly earn points. It is a fast way to rack up those points and cash out even more money by watching the videos. Number 3. Go to Rewardable. Rewardable is an excellent site for earning some cash. With a tagline that states, "the site that pays you cash," this is another great site to earn some money. To start with Rewardable, go to their website and click on the Join App Free tab. Signing up on this site is quite simple and free. There are numerous options available on this site for things like watching videos, carrying out surveys, participating in daily sweepstakes, and visiting retail stores. You can carry out any of these tasks and get paid. The more tasks you complete, the more rewards you earn. When you cash out these rewards, you grow community status. This community status will allow you to get more significant rewards. This site has reviews from some big names like ABC, NBC, and CNET. There are also great reviews for this app in the App Store, so that must say something about how well it works. So start earning and start watching with it now. Number 2. Download AppNana. One great app to make some fast money is AppNana. AppNana is a free app that can help you to get paid for doing some simple jobs like watching videos and playing games. This app is fun, just go and download it to your mobile device. It is available on both the Apple App Store and the Android App Store. Another exciting feature of this app is that it has an affiliate program. If you've got a YouTube channel with more than 5,000 subscribers, a large Facebook account, or a popular blog, you can be qualified for AppNana's affiliate program. With this program, influencers and big accounts are making up to $300 a day. AppNana operates in such a way that you send in a form to sign up for their program, and once you're accepted, you will then promote AppNana and use your audience to get more people to sign up for the app. You will have a unique code to use, and once someone signs up using that code, you will earn money. This referral program is found when scrolling to the bottom of the AppNana website, so try it out. Number 1. Go to TV2. A great website you can use to earn is TV2. It is among one of the best ones on this list, and you'll love it as well. With this website, you can make money by watching YouTube videos. To work on this website, you need to have a mobile device and a smart TV. Visit the website and click on the Setup tab at the top of the page. It will then give you a full step-by-step guide on how to set it up. Due to this app's good reputation, it's been nominated by Forbes, Vice, and Entrepreneur. To sign up for this website, you will need to watch videos to collect rewards, and that's how you're going to be earning. With this, you can then convert it into cryptocurrency. With that cryptocurrency, you'll then be able to convert that into cash. To earn more money, you can compete with simple tasks on the website. To set it up, download TV2 to your smart TV or your mobile device. When you download the app on your TV, you will then link it with your TV and your mobile device. Using the app on your smart TV, a QR code will appear, so scan this using the app on your mobile device. Next is the fun part. Sit back, relax, and watch your videos. Machine learning is going to curate the perfect programming for you. Every second you watch, you're going to be earning crypto. If you want to set up and convert your crypto into currency, simply go to the site Coinbase. Set up a free account with that site, and after that, you can then convert the crypto you earned into cash. The funds will then be sent to your bank account. If you look at the app in the App Store, you can see contents like videos from Unbox Therapy and Dude Perfect as some as the content you'll be watching. It's an excellent site, so sign up today and start earning. Thanks for watching, and while you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!